Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange welcome point using pass points in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for beginner. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping store button at the bottom of your screen and go to live events, tap the items and this one. If you need welcome point, this one, and you can exchange this welcome point for reward in welcome to FC Mobile campaign. So if you need this welcome point and you have some star point that can be earned from Star Pass, you can do it in store, and per one pass point you can get one welcome point. Let's exchange. I do have 9. Tap and I get welcome point also 9. So if you need welcome point, so this is maybe alternate way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the text button below. Enjoy the game.